Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back and enter the system settings, which are right above the About Phone. Tap on Advanced and enter developer options. And here all we have to do is to localize this option, automatic system updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from this moment, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.